Today guys, we are making an English video from Philippines with just Play-Doh. We're not 3 years old. Because they were crying. And this is the Play-Doh I have. The small or the big one. Wait, I wanted the alphabet like the last video. I just posted. And this one, A is 2. Very hard for me. Taking too long. Take 1 hour to make it. No, it's only 1 year now to take me this. No, it's nowadays. I'm trying to cover. I'm feeling a try. This one is very long, and this one is 8. And I have to destroy it. I'm sorry, A, I have to destroy you to make Z. Z will be harder. Z will be harder for me now. And this is Z. Let's broke it from a moment. And I wanted to see from the last video I posted. From that. It's night and I time travel. And this is C.